Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will make this awesome illustration from a basic sketch. Let's get started. We will be completely working in Illustrator. The sketch is just a basic idea in my mind to see how the final result will look like. I assume that you already know the basic tools and features, as I will speed up some repetitive parts of this video. If you are new to Illustrator and want a complete guide on tools we will use in this video, you can check out my Illustrator tutorial series, where I taught you the basics and advanced tips and tricks. Make sure to check this video as well. The link is in the description. this is how you create this awesome illustration. If you want to learn Illustrator and quickly get a hands-on experience, I have the exact tutorials for you. You can learn Illustrator in just 20 minutes. Check the description of this video. If you have some questions, you can ask them in the comment section, or you can ask them to my Instagram page. I'll be uploading more Illustrator tips and tricks and tutorials. In the next uploads, we will create more modern and detailed illustrations in Adobe Illustrator. If this interests you, you can subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications so you can be notified when I upload. Make sure to leave a like, share your thoughts in the comment section, and share this video among your friends. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I will see you in my next one. Take care.